Hi folks, St. Paul Steve here. I'm taking a rare advantage of having two Jensen 70 BBGs running at the same time, ball bearing generator and smoking chimneys. The one on the left is my first one on the right, obviously number 2, and they're nearly identical. Very few differences. And both working very well. Let's take a closer look. I have to keep at some distance to get both of these in there. Both just loafing along. Barely got the light lit. This one, of course, has the insignia on it and the ladder. And this one with a matching pressure gauge to the base. This is a blue base. That one's a little bit light green. That's the original factory green right there. I didn't repaint that. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for looking. It's kind of hard to get the steam captured. I can see it easy enough, but the camera doesn't like to pick it up so well. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.